So tell me a little bit about an FHA loan. Just what are the kind of some of the guidelines? What would I be needing to be able to do to qualify for that FHA loan?
Okay, so FHA loan, you're going to be looking at 3.5% down, and I'm not talking about the first-time homebuyer programs, but on a standard FHA loan, you're going to have to put 3.5% down. I'll give pros and cons about an FHA.
Sure.
Pros, you get typically a lower rate than conventional.
Okay.
Pros, you can get an FHA loan with more adverse credit scores, lower credit scores. That's about it.
Okay.
And let me back up. You can get in with higher debt to income, which makes me nervous saying that, but with the downfalls of an FHA loan is you have the upfront mortgage insurance premium, typically 1.75% of the base loan amount. So you have this upfront mortgage insurance premium that you pay to FHA. On top of that, you have a monthly mortgage insurance, and if you don't put a minimum of 10% down on an FHA loan, you'll have that mortgage insurance for the life of the loan.
Right.
It will never fall off.
Right. And tell everybody what exactly mortgage insurance is.
And mortgage insurance, so mortgage insurance came around 1957 for conventional, but it was before 1957, you typically had to put 20% down on a home.
Right.
Mortgage insurance came along and said, hey, lender, if you allow a borrower to put less than 20% down, we're going to collect a monthly premium from the borrower. And so if they default, well, we'll pay you up to any loss that you may incur, and it's up to a certain percentage of the loan, typically 20 or 25%. So mortgage insurance, it has its benefits, but it doesn't protect you, it protects the banks.
Right. So they introduced it to really allow people to get into houses without having to save that 20% that is so hard for so many people to save.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. So it allows them to get in with 3% for conventional, 3.5% if we're talking FHA, and the amount of mortgage insurance premium that you do pay monthly is all based on the loan to value. So the more you put down, the lower your monthly mortgage insurance premium is.
Okay.
And this is, now we're kind of talking about conventional.
Right.